In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see any Shopify store's best-selling products. By the end, you'll know how to quickly spot what's really driving sales on almost any store, just by using what's already visible on the site. First, open the Shopify store you're interested in. This could be a competitor, a brand you admire, or a store in a niche you want to enter. Make sure you're on their main website, not a marketplace listing or social media page. Once you're there, we're going to mine the store for clues that reveal what's selling best. Start with the homepage. Store owners usually put their money makers front and center. As you scroll, keep an eye out for sections labeled things like best sellers, trending now, or most popular. These labels are not random. Merchants use them to push products that already convert well, because those items are proven to bring in revenue. If you see a dedicated best sellers row, that is almost always a curated list of top performers. Take note of which products show up there and how often they reappear in different parts of the site. Next, check the navigation menu at the top of the page. Many Shopify stores create specific collections for their best-selling products. Hover over or tap on categories like Shop, Collections, or Catalog. Look for a collection named Bestsellers, Top Picks, Customer Favorites, or something similar. When you open that collection, you're usually seeing a concentrated list of products that are consistently selling well, because store owners want to make those easy to find. This is a quick shortcut to understanding what buyers actually want from that store. Now, dig a little deeper by opening a few individual product pages. Once a product page loads, you're looking for subtle signals that indicate strong sales. Pay attention to messages like "only 3 left in stock" or "over 1,000 sold." While these are sometimes used as marketing tactics, they often reflect genuine demand. Also look at how frequently reviews are being posted. Recent review timestamps suggest that the product is actively selling right now, not just historically. High comment activity, such as lots of customer questions and answers, is another good sign that the product gets steady traffic and purchases. Finally, use reviews themselves as a major clue. Products with the most reviews usually have the highest sales volume because only a small percentage of buyers leave feedback. High engagement within those reviews, like many photos, detailed comments, and replies, tells you customers are interacting with the product a lot. Some products even include badges or notes like frequently bought or bestseller, which reinforce that they're strong performers. Put all of these signals together and you'll have a clear picture of any Shopify store's best-selling products without needing any special tools.